Hey awesomes! Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be recycling our paper bags. First, we need the clean ones for the paper twine. Open it up so we can cut it. Then remove all damaged edges. Cut a portion, then fold into two and start twisting. Do all over again until you have enough to create a ribbon. And then attach each part using a tape. Get another paper bag, preferably the thicker one, to wrap our gift. Same process applies. Open it up and cut the damaged edges. Then start wrapping your gift. Now that we have our gift wrapped, let's put our paper twine. This can't be actually tied as a ribbon, so you may want to just form it into a bow and tape it. There you go! For the final touch, have some nice white ink for a special note. A perfect gift this Christmas, plus it is eco-friendly. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.